Welcome to the 5th Annual National MBE Manufacturers Summit. Georgia Tech's Enterprise Innovation Institute established this one-of-a-kind conference in 2016 as part of our commitment to assist minority and small business communities. Now, 5 years running, the summit has brought together more than 700 minority business enterprise manufacturers from across the US and Canada and helped them connect with Georgia Tech and our partners in the private sector. This year's theme is Future Forward, disrupting in a time of uncertainty. For the past year, global markets and supply chains have undergone substantial disruptions. On one hand, global crises like the COVID-19 pandemic, social unrest, natural disasters, and climate change have forced billions of people across the globe to redefine their daily lives. On the other, new technologies, including breakthroughs with artificial intelligence, are pushing entrepreneurs to rethink and restructure how they do business. That's why this year's summit will focus on how these paradigm shifts will affect innovation and entrepreneurship and how you can prepare for the future. We have sessions on the future of healthcare, food and beverage, retail, transportation, mobility, cybersecurity, and more. In Georgia Tech's new strategic plan, we commit ourselves to developing leaders who advance technology and improve the human condition, to becoming a global engine of innovation, entrepreneurship, and opportunity that expands access and leads by example. Those priorities start with serving and connecting others to our resources and expertise in science, technology, and manufacturing. That's why we host this summit, and I'm so happy you're here. I send my thanks to the Atlanta MBDA Advanced Manufacturing Center, the Enterprise Innovation Institute, and the Manufacturing Institute, who all partner together each year to make this important summit a reality. And thanks to all of you, the attendees of this year's summit, for joining us in this virtual format so these critical touchpoints, connections, and discussions can continue. We're sorry we can't be together in person this year, but we look forward to seeing you next year in Atlanta. Enjoy the sessions and your time together. Thank you and take care.
Thank you, President Cabrera, for that wonderful message and for the support that you and the leadership team of Georgia Tech have provided to our MBDA centers and our programs over the past 17 years.